Currently, at Nestlé, each brand needs to create its own structure and strategy in relation to B2C, B2B, and D2C. So implementing or improving an e-commerce platform is neither an easy nor a quick task. The need to develop a platform from scratch results in processes that spend resources and time for the company. You have to provide a structure, which must have its business case approved, and the development is done with little agility. That's why we created the Starter Kit. The Starter Kit creates a platform structure that optimizes the creation of new e-commerce platforms, enabling the design of new digital stores quickly and with optimized investment, reducing bureaucracy, and allowing the quick validation of products with less risk. With the Start Kit, we can achieve more business value with a shorter time to market, while optimizing investment during implementation and after the go-live. With this tool, it is possible to promote the standardization and synergy of Nestlé's global e-commerce in a responsive and customizable platform, with modular resources and a menu of features. Elevating the concept of reuse, every evolution made within the Starter Kit can be replicated to other stores. With Starter Kit, it is possible to centralize all business units in a single e-commerce strategy. It can be implemented quickly and will generate savings between 20% and 40% in new projects. Emporio Nestlé was the first business unit that used this tool, resulting in an efficiency gain in its entire ecosystem. It currently has 60 brands available and more than 1,500 products, ranging from traditional chocolates to pet food. We want to expand this success to Nestlé, reducing the bureaucracy of creating virtual stores and paving the way for those who want to join the company's digital transformation e-commerce.